Minessage ko na si Sir Fred. Sir Fred, extend pa po ako ng 1 week.
Hi, Sina!
Hello, Sir Adam. Kamusta?
Congratulations! My
Thank you
God!
so much. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa show?
Oo, ikaw.
Super. One of the best pageants that I've ever been in. But, first international pageant ko to naman kasi. So, pasabog talaga sila. TCN. As in,
Mhm. Did you expect to make it all the way to top 5?
did I expect? Well, I came in this competition wanting to win and wanting to bring back the crown to the Philippines as Ate Shane Tormes and Ate Pearl Hang has done so in the past few years. Ina-expect ko ba? Oo, may expecting heart ako.
Di namin in-expect na yung evening gown combination ay nung top 12 combination ng kuda at saka rampa nyo sa evening gown.
Hindi mo in-expect?
Oo, akala ko rampa lang kayo sa evening gown tapos
Oo. Puro Q&A siya. Kaya natuwa nga ako kasi kumbaga doon talaga makikita yung heart ng isang beauty queen when it comes to the cause of Miss Lotus.
And you seem to be prepared for the question. Ako, ang hirap na nakuha mo, hang keyword, sustainable.
development goals.
O, kasi iba, Amazing Thailand,
Oo,
Brazilian.
gusto ko rin yung Amazing Thailand at some point.
Oo.
Pero, masaya naman Sustainable Development Goals kasi lagi yan tinatanong back in our national pageant
Oo.
back in the Philippines. So, nakakatuwa kasi na-share ko rin yung thoughts ko about Sustainable Development Goals. So, sa mga nanonood, siguro magiging mas interesado sila when it comes to achieving it. And just like what I said na, yung actions and voices natin, pag nagsama-sama sila, mas magagawa natin better place yung mundo natin.
Alam mo ba trending ka ngayon?
Totoo ba?
Dahil doon sa top 20 announcement, nawawala ka.
Medyo naiiyak ako. Even dun sa last, yung parang nung
Oo, parang ayaw mong bumaba.
Gusto ko sana sabihin sinadya ko siya for drama effect pero hindi ko talaga sinadya.
Which one yung top 20?
Both.
Sabi ko nga sana, sino naman ba siya sa CR? Bakit hindi pa siya
Pero hinihintay ko rin yung kamerang magtutok sa akin kasi usually yun yung cue.
Oo.
So, ayun.
Nagulat lang kami, nasaan siya? Tinawag ka na ni Antonia, nawawala ka.
Baka nagpapapansin lang ako kay Queen Antonia and sa post.
Pero believe kami sa'yo ha, ang daming kudaan, ang daming kuda portions dito. Talagang you acquitted yourself very well.
Yes, many sleepless nights and even though parang kaka-announce lang sa akin recently, my heart buong-buo talaga siya sa pag-represent kasi this has been a lifelong dream and a long time prayer na.
Parang maning-mani lang talaga sa yung Q&A. Parang kahit 10 portions pa ang Q&A rounds dito sa pageant na to, hindi ka maubusan ng gasolina.
Humble pa rin naman tayo. There's still so much to learn and I want to give a shout out to Ate Mitch. Ate Mitch pa yung tumulong sa akin, tinutukan niya ako as in never niya ako iniwan. Lahat ng chat ko sa kanya sinagot niya and siya rin yung una kong tinawagan after nitong announcement ng fourth runner-up.
Yung gown mo pala, it's made by Daniel Manila
Yes,
din,
and
no?
nakikita nyo ba, meron tayong Miss Global logo dyan.
Oo.
Kasi we want to send a message na yung Philippines nga talaga yung vessel in imparting the message of Miss Global.
Oo. Paano masasabi mo? International title holder ka na.
Sobrang masaya. Self-fulfillment, of course. Pero masaya sa pakiramdam katulad ng sinabi ni Ate Shane na may naiambag ako sa bansa ko. Kumbaga, nabitbit ko yung buong Pilipinas in the international stage. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. And wala, sobrang masaya lang talaga ako.
From Binibini to Mutya to the international stage.
I know. And God really works in mysterious ways. Sabi ni Ate Shane ulit, si Ate Shane kinukote ko sa lahat na a grateful heart is a magnet of miracles. So ito yung miracle natin, Pilipinas.
Nice. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much. I can stop talking about this.
What's the first thing that you will do tomorrow morning?
Pray muna. Gusto ko rin sana mag-mass kung sakali. And excited na ako mag-breakfast nang walang iniisip. Only breakfast kasi tayo sa Mi Style. Shout out sa Mi Style, one of the best hotels that I've stayed in here in Thailand.
Sayang wala dito sina Miss Cory, no? Sina Sir Fred.
Oo, pero okay lang kasi less pressure. Hayaan mo na.
Oo.
Mag-enjoy mo na sila doon.
May cash prize ka bang makukuha for your
I'm
placement?
not quite sure. Hindi ko siya na-research actually. Hindi ko siya na-research.
So, kailan ka uuwi? May naisip mo na ba siya ngayon?
Next week. I think next week kasi 1 week lang yung Philippines namin.
Congratulations again,
Thank
Sina. You
you
made us
so
all proud.
much.
Grabe.
Thank you so much. Sana napasaya ko yung buong Becky's of Pageantry, yung buong pageant fans sa Pilipinas. Thank you.
Maraming salamat again, Sina. Congratulations sa buhay ng Pilipinas.
I love you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.